recording.
So what game do you want to play?
Okay. Wait. We're gonna play our real flight simulator. So let's see how this thing goes. Okay.
Is it your first time actually?
No. I'm.
Where's Angie?
What the hell? Oh, come on!
Oh my gosh.
Finally. Okay, they're going crazy on my cat. So let's just see.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
fly now. Okay. We're okay. Start flight. Okay, so we're basically gonna be flying to. I think they're gonna hear me. Okay, so we're flying to USA. I think that's the next destination. Oh, come on, this loading.
Then we're gonna show the cat.
Holy moly!
It's raining.
I know it's raining.
Holy cow!
I know that I can change it because there's weather. Okay, rain, clear. Okay. First we need ground system, load, and now cargo door. Okay, the sound is too high. We need to,
Lower it.
Okay. Cargo is ready. Okay, can you please stop? We're recording a video. Okay, they're just going crazy on the cat. Okay, so loading cargo. This is taking 1,000 years. I said. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we need to start pushback. Pushback. Okay. Okay. Oh my God! I almost hit the fuel truck. Oh, that was a close one. Okay. We need to. Okay.
The pushback truck.
Yeah, I know. Okay. The chat is just going crazy. Okay. Let's decouple. Pushback in. Okay. Wait, come on! Are you kidding me? Okay. No, not this one. Okay, stop. Pushback. Now we need to go to we're gonna have permission to taxi so we can go to the runway, and let's see how we can do to this video. Okay, taxiing. This might take a while, so please wait.
So please don't skip.
Yeah, please don't skip this part, even though it's boring.
But
Yeah.
it's actually really fun.
Actually, no, it's not fun. But actually, it's kind of fun sometimes when you're in multiplayer, because sometimes you can collide with planes and it will be fun with other people. But when you're in solo, you can't. It's not really fun.
But because he wants to make us videos,
Okay, we're trying to taxi the. No. Okay, just ignore them in the background. They're fighting for the cat because they like the cat so much. Oh no, we're gonna hit grass. Oh my God, that was so close of breaking. No. Rhoda. Oh, phew.
We're gonna make a plane crash, so
Yeah, you know what? Let me just go to 76 miles per hour. Not miles per hour. 76 knots. Okay. Oh, come on. Do not crash. I said do not crash into the grass. Okay.
that was kind of funny.
Yeah.
So apparently you're only playing.
Actually, but we can see the chat. This is an online chat, but you can't see other players. You can only see the chat. But it's still good.
Multiplayer is so noisy, so that's why.
Actually, no, it's actually fun. But because I need to pay for it, and I don't have enough money to pay for multiplayer, so that's why I am doing this without multiplayer. I actually never play multiplayer except talking with the chat. That's it. So we're almost at the runway. We're gonna take off. Flaps to full. And now, oh crap, we need to brake here. Oh, come on. No, don't break landing gear. Okay.
How do you turn this on? Can you
Wait.
Is
Okay,
this
wait.
broken?
No, I don't know. But wait. Ignore them. I'm just talking with them just for something. So okay, we're about to take off. Oh, come on.
Send this on you.
I am. I am. So no, I'm sending it. So okay.
My mom doesn't let me.
It's my channel. I upload wherever I want.
Yeah.
Okay, but just ignore them in the background, please. Okay. Here we go. Take off in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A takeoff. Whee! Oh no, tail strike. Almost tail strike. Okay, we need to wait more. 3, 2, 1. V1 is now open. Here we go. Oh no, that was on almost. And we have taken off. Gear up.
Positive rate.
We go. As you can see, we have 3D buildings. Okay. Okay. It doesn't. There's no batteries. Okay. I'm just talking to them about something. They ignored them. Okay, we're going to the skies. Okay. I think in 30 seconds will be a good time to go straight.
Yeah. You're very smart, Dora.
30, 29, 28, 27.
Look at your actually not.
This is on video. Just ignore them. Please ignore them.
Just ignore him.
You just please ignore them.
Just please ignore him.
Please. Oh my goodness,
God.
just ignore them. Just ignore them, please.
Just ignore him. Just ignore him, please.
Oh, come on, stop it! Stop it! This is not funny. It's on video.
I don't care.
No, you need to care. This is going on YouTube.
Gotta go tell my mom.
I don't care. Just go tell your mom. Just please ignore them, please.
They're not gonna ignore us because they're gonna go out of the video.
No, they're not. Okay, here we go.
Some people don't like planes.
No, a lot of people like planes.
Yeah,
And why would they watch this video if they don't like planes?
I look at this.
Okay, let's see. Oh no! Engine is on fire! Engine is on fire! I repeat, emergency landing! Emergency landing! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! This is bad. This is bad. We need to emergency land somewhere. We need to do on the ground. There's no near airport everywhere. Oh no! I think.
This is
Come on.
worse than I ever thought it would be.
Oh crap! We need to break in air. Oh my god, no, this is bad. This is very bad. We lost engine 1. We lost engine 1. Oh no. We need to pull up for a minute. Oh, come on, pull up.
Oh, we're gonna.
Oh no. Oh, it's okay. We can rewind. Don't worry, guys. We can rewind. But we need to still make the emergency landing, which is very bad. Oh no. Okay, gear down. Oh wait, it's.
Don't sink. Too low.
Oh crap.
Don't sink. Too low. Terrain.
Okay, we need to rewind again for a minute. Please wait, guys. Okay, just we're having technical issues. Okay, here we go. Come on. This loading takes so long. Oh no, we're stalling.
They're gonna be famous just on this video.
Ah, the
Caution, terrain.
okay, gear down.
Just kidding.
Come on, come on, come on.
Don't sink. Too low, terrain. 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 Don't sink.
Oh wait, rewind. Oh my God, we're rewinding too much. Oh come on. This emergency landing is taking so long. What the hell? We're stalling when the engine is on fire. The worst combination ever. Oh look, it's engine 2 this time.
Caution, terrain. Caution, terrain. Caution, terrain.
Oh come on, we need to pull up, come on. Engine start! Yes! We're saved! Ooh, phew.
Down low, terrain. Don't sink.
Okay, we need to say a perfect landing spot. I don't know
Not
where.
anywhere. Even though on the grass. No one cares.
Please stop! This is on YouTube! Please ignore them, guys. Please. Okay. No. Okay, we're gonna emergency land in the planes. I think this time is gonna be a successful landing. I hope.
Me too.
Okay, here I go. We need to get to 150 knots, actually 100 and some 30 knots. So we're just gonna wait in the air a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
You know this game more than me, so yeah. Come on.
40, 30, come on, we can do it. Actually, you know what? We can emergency land with 140 knots. Okay, here we go. Emergency landing! Oh, crap. Oh, no, the engine's on fire. Evacuate. Oh, come on. Evacuate passengers. Evacuate. Oh, no. Evacuation sign. Ambulance. Oh, come on. They're coming. Woo. Yeah. The video. Okay. They're here. Everyone, evacuate. Oh my God. Okay. The firefighting vehicle put it out. Okay. Everyone's escaping. Let's see how much people are in this. Okay, first they're evacuating. There's a lot of passengers, so we need to wait for this evacuation. This is so bad. Oh no. Come on everyone, get out. We need to. Let's see, wait, how much passengers is there? They're eating in the background, so don't worry that sound. Come on. How much people are in this plane? I know I said 164. Wait, is there actually? Wait. Yeah, 164 people. Okay, I think, yeah, they're done. It's done. Okay. Yeah, there's no more. Okay. So this was a tragic video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Wait, I just need to do something.